March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. What is St. Patrick's Day?
St. Patrick's Day is celebrated on March 17th every year. It originally honored St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland, but today, it has become a global celebration of Irish culture. No matter where you're from, you can join in the fun.
The origin of St. Patrick's Day.
Who was St. Patrick?
St. Patrick was originally from Britain, but when he was 16 years old, he was kidnapped by pirates and taken to Ireland as a slave. After escaping, he chose to return to Ireland as a missionary. According to legend, he used a shamrock to explain the Holy Trinity.
Why do we celebrate St. Patrick's Day?
St. Patrick was a Christian missionary who helped spread Christianity. He played a crucial role in shaping Irish culture and is one of the most beloved figures in Irish history. The holiday marks the anniversary of his death on March 17th.
Highlights of St. Patrick's Day.
The color green means luck.
Green is the color of Ireland, and people wear green clothes, hats, and even drink green beer. There's a fun tradition: if you don't wear green, your friends might pinch you.
Parades and celebrations.
Cities like New York, Chicago, and Dublin host spectacular St. Patrick's Day parades, with music, dancing, and thousands of participants. Every year, the Chicago River is dyed green, creating an iconic St. Patrick's Day tradition.
Traditional Irish food and drinks.
St. Patrick's Day is not only a time for celebration but also an opportunity to enjoy traditional Irish food and drinks. On this day, families, restaurants, and pubs serve classic Irish dishes and beverages that bring a taste of Irish culture to the festivities.
Symbols of St. Patrick's Day.
Shamrock.
The shamrock is the most famous symbol of St. Patrick's Day. It is said that St. Patrick used it to explain the Holy Trinity. Today, the shamrock represents Ireland and good luck, and people wear it to celebrate the holiday.
The color green.
Green is the color of St. Patrick's Day and symbolizes Ireland. According to legend, leprechauns pinch anyone not wearing green. So, people wear green clothes to avoid being pinched and to join in the festive spirit.
Leprechaun and rainbow and pot of gold.
According to legend, leprechauns are mischievous little fairies from Irish folklore who hide pots of gold at the end of a rainbow, representing luck and fortune. If you catch one, he must grant you 3 wishes or give you his gold. Many St. Patrick's Day decorations feature rainbows and gold coins, symbolizing good luck and prosperity.
How the world celebrates St. Patrick's Day.
Ireland. Ireland hosts grand parades and festivals in Dublin, with streets filled with music, dancing, and green decorations. United States. New York and Boston hold massive parades, while Chicago dyes its river green, creating a stunning festival highlight. Canada. Montreal hosts one of the world's oldest St. Patrick's Day parades, with a history of over 200 years. Australia. New York and Boston hold massive parades, while Chicago dyes its river green, creating a stunning festival highlight. Japan. Tokyo celebrates with parades and cosplay, where many dress in green or as leprechauns. Argentina. Buenos Aires hosts massive street parties, where people drink green beer and dance all night.
2 mythical stories related to St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick banishes the snakes from Ireland.
One of the most famous legends about St. Patrick is that he drove all the snakes out of Ireland. According to the story, St. Patrick was fasting on a hill when he was attacked by a group of snakes. He then used his staff to cast them all into the sea, ensuring that Ireland would remain snake-free forever.
The shamrock and the Holy Trinity.
During his missionary work in Ireland, he plucked a shamrock from the ground and explained how the three leaves represent one God, just like the three persons in the Holy Trinity. Christianity easier for the Irish people to understand, and the shamrock became a powerful symbol of faith and good luck in Irish culture.
3 fun facts about St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick wasn't Irish.
St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland, was actually born in Britain around the late 4th century. He was kidnapped by pirates and brought to Ireland as a slave before later escaping and returning as a missionary.
There are no snakes in Ireland.
A popular legend says that St. Patrick drove all the snakes out of Ireland, but scientists believe Ireland never had snakes to begin with due to its cold climate.
Green wasn't always the color of St. Patrick's Day.
Originally, blue was associated with St. Patrick, but over time, green became the holiday's official color because of Ireland's lush landscapes, the shamrock, and the Irish flag.
Conclusion.
St. Patrick's Day is celebrated worldwide in fun and unique ways. Whether it's parades, green landmarks, or lively pub parties, people everywhere join in the excitement. It's a day for everyone to wear green, enjoy Irish traditions, and have fun.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Integrate English learning into your life.